Hi everyone, autumn is here, and it's the perfect time to learn some fun English words about fall and holidays. Stay with me and learn 20 useful words. Autumn. Autumn is my favorite season. Autumn is my favorite season. Leaves. The leaves are falling from the trees. The leaves are falling from the trees. Pumpkin. I carved a pumpkin for Halloween. I carved a pumpkin for Halloween. Scarf. I wear a warm scarf in autumn. I wear a warm scarf in autumn. Cozy. I love reading in a cozy room. I love reading in a cozy room. Halloween. We celebrate Halloween every year. We celebrate Halloween every year. Costume. I bought a new costume for Halloween. I bought a new costume for Halloween. Trick or treat. Children say trick or treat at the door. Children say trick or treat at the door. Bonfire. We sat around the bonfire. We sat around the bonfire. Thanksgiving. We say a prayer on Thanksgiving. We say a prayer on Thanksgiving. Turkey. Turkey is delicious on Thanksgiving. Turkey is delicious on Thanksgiving. Parade. The Thanksgiving parade is amazing. The Thanksgiving parade is amazing. Holiday. I love the holiday season. I love the holiday season. Festival. Autumn festival is very colorful. Autumn festival is very colorful. Decorations. We put up autumn decorations. We put up autumn decorations. Leaves pile. Children jump into a leaves pile. Children jump into a leaves pile. Apple picking. We went apple picking last weekend. We went apple picking last weekend. Acorn. Squirrels collect acorns in autumn. Squirrels collect acorns in autumn. Cinnamon. I love cinnamon in my coffee. I love cinnamon in my coffee. Warm drink. A warm drink is perfect on a chilly day. A warm drink is perfect on a chilly day. Awesome! Now you know 20 useful autumn and holiday words. Don't forget to practice them every day. Subscribe to learn English easily for more fun English lessons. See you next time.